Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best backpack cooler that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Lovotex Insulated Rolling Backpack Cooler. If you're not that into hiking and outdoor adventures, then a wheeled cooler backpack might just be the best option for you. The Lovotex Rolling Cooler is a great option for people who value convenience over everything else, and who want to use the cooler in a more urban setting. Maybe you're heading over to your friend's house, or you want to take some cold beers down to the beach in the cooler. As long as you're moving around on concrete, you can use the wheels of the Lovotex. And you'll love it. The wheels make your life a whole lot easier. This is an option you should consider if you are struggling with back pain, and find it uncomfortable to carry heavy bags on your body. Additionally, this is also a backpack, which means that it comes with 2 shoulder straps that you can tuck away when you're not using them. When you are using them, make sure to use the wheel cover first, so that you don't get any dirt on your clothes. This cooler backpack has a pretty large capacity. It can fit up to 40 cans in the main compartment, which is pretty cool. There's also a zippered pocket on the front panel, which is perfect for utensils, snacks, or just stuff you don't have to keep in the cooler portion of the backpack. And there are also stretchy side pockets, for items you want to have easily accessible. The main compartment is well insulated, and it can keep the contents of the bag cold or warm for up to 16 hours. Plus the exterior of the bag is waterproof, so you can safely use it even in rainy weather. Moving on at number 4, we have the YETI Hopper Backflip 24 Soft-Sided Cooler Backpack. The YETI Hopper Backflip 24 is perhaps the best backpack cooler around. If you want something premium that you can bring anywhere, this is the backpack to get. Its exterior is entirely waterproof, which means that you can even submerge the bottom of the backpack, and water will not seep inside. And that's pretty cool. It's what makes the backpacks great for a boat, in addition to everything else. The YETI Hopper Backflip 24's dry hide shell is also resistant to UV rays, while the interior liner is made from FDA-approved materials. The Hopper Backflip Soft Cooler has a capacity of 20 cans, so it's a medium capacity bag. You can attach all sorts of things to the exterior of the packs though, considering that it has multiple daisy chain webbing attachment points. That's one thing that makes it an awesome option for hikes and other outdoor adventures, where you need all sorts of bulky gear in addition to the cool drinks. Additionally, you will also love how comfortable this backpack cooler feels on your body. The back panel features really thick padding for excellent comfort, and the sternum strap and the hip belt help transfer the load away from your shoulders so that you're not in pain from carrying 20 pounds plus on your back. This backpack also features grab handles on the top and each side, so it's always going to be easy to pick it up. The only thing you won't like about this backpack cooler is the price point. The YETI Hopper Backflip is very expensive, but that's the price you have to pay if you want the best thing on the market. If you're okay with the second or third best thing, just keep scrolling through our options. At number 3, we have the SEEHONOR Insulated Cooler Backpack. The SEEHONOR Cooler Backpack is an excellent option for those of you that are on a tight budget. It retails for about $30, which is a pretty fair price to pay for an awesome cooler backpack. Especially one that has a capacity of 25 cans and a fully leak-proof interior. This backpack cooler features a padded back panel that is also covered with breathable mesh. The shoulder straps are also covered with breathable mesh, for excellent ventilation around your entire body. But the straps aren't padded that much, so they're not going to be too comfortable. And you don't get a hip belt or a sternum strap, so there's nothing to help with proper weight distribution. The exterior of the backpack is made from heavy-duty nylon, which has good tear and water resistance. And the interior of the backpack is fully waterproof, so even if anything leaks inside, it's not going to get on the exterior of the bag. Another thing I really like about the SEEHONOR backpack cooler is that it has several pockets on the outside. There's a pretty big zippered front compartment that can fit utensils, plates, or even just your personal necessities. Then, there are also stretchy side pockets that can easily hold 2 bottles of wine each, as well as a bungee cord on the front panel, which is perfect for stashing a spare layer of clothing or a picnic blanket. On top of all that, the backpack cooler is also equipped with a couple of D-rings that let you attach some bulkier items to its exterior, and it comes with a beer opener. So, not only can you fit enough drinks and food for an entire day outside, but you can also use the backpack for all the other stuff you need in your outings. And for a measly $30. At number 2, we have the Coleman Soft Backpack Cooler. The Coleman Backpack Cooler is a great option because it looks like any plain backpack. It features a standard top-loading main compartment, as well as an extra front compartment and side pockets. This soft cooler looks just like any other backpack. If you'd like an incognito cooler so people can't really tell that you've got a pack full of goodies with you, this is the way to go. And what's even better is that this is manufactured by Coleman, a company that specializes in making coolers. You get the best of both worlds, a very reliable soft cooler, with the exterior of a plain backpack. The capacity of the insulated compartment is some 28 cans, which is pretty good. There's extra space in the front compartment and side pockets, for all the smaller stuff you'd want to keep organized. And the backpack features bungee cords at the front panel, which are great for storing a lightweight jacket or a picnic blanket. In addition to all that, I'm also impressed by the back system of this backpack cooler. There's breathable mesh everywhere as well as thick padding for premium carrying comfort. This includes the ergonomic shoulder straps and the extra wide hip belt, which help with even load distribution. There's another thing you're going to love about this backpack cooler, and that is the price point. The Coleman Backpack Cooler retails for about $25, which is incredible. It's an awesome cooler, a comfortable and versatile backpack, and it's an option for you regardless of your budget, as long as you're okay with the medium capacity. And finally at number 1, we have the Lifewit 18L32 Can Insulated Cooler Bag. The Lifewit Cooler Pack is an excellent medium capacity option. It's an affordable backpack cooler with some unique features and a pretty attractive price point. This bag retails for about $30, which makes it a great option for everyone's budget. The best thing about this soft cooler pack is that it features 2 insulated compartments. This is so far a unique feature that I did not see in many other backpacks, at least, not in any good ones. It's a great feature if you want to be able to separate the food from the drinks, or alcohol from kids' juices. You can even use one compartment for the cold stuff, and the other for the hot stuff. It will retain the temperature of both compartments, allowing you to eat a hot grilled cheese sandwich and chase it down with an ice-cold Coke, hours after you've packed them in the bag. And you also get zippered and open pockets on the backpack cooler, for easy organization of all the other stuff you might want to pack inside. Additionally, this backpack cooler features a back system with thick padding and breathable mesh on the shoulder straps, for excellent carrying comfort. The only issue is that there is no mesh on the back panel, meaning that the ventilation of the pack is not the best. But that's only going to be a problem during the summer. You don't get a sternum strap or a hip belt, so it's not going to be that easy to carry it on your back when this backpack cooler is at full capacity. But, at least you do get a padded grab handle, which makes it super easy to pick up the cooler whenever you need to. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.